funky.
Hip
Everybody, this is Sopchar back in a day with another unboxing. While I'm here at Adentia and I got myself something new, he showed me that he has some more new things. And since I'm a pro unboxer, he asked me to unbox it for him. Very nice knife. So this is, as I understand, the latest greatest from Matrix Audio. And it does it all. It are a DAC, preamp, and a real amplifier. So 2 channel and in 8 ohm is 300 watts per channel. And in 4 ohms, 500 or 5 plus or something. So this, I didn't even ask what it costs, but this is the latest greatest that does it all. So very, very well packaged. And here we have everything. Gloves, I really like it when I do that. So silk gloves, maybe for the unboxing. Power cable, remote control. I noticed on my own unboxing that Matrix Audio has really taken the unboxing part another step. So everything, you really get that luxury feeling when you do the unboxing. And a new black color that looks a little bit better, like matte black. And gold-plated connections, and a big display. This is called MD1P. And here you connect, I'll show you closer. So here we have the connections. And what I used to learn is that is only the high power one that are black. That's why I haven't seen this black before. So the other ones are silver. So high power is black. And the price for this big thing that does it all is around 5,500 euro. Slightly under 6,000 euro. And as usual, Adentia has it all. There will be a link in the description. Just contact them and they will help you out. I just learned something new once again. So as you see, we have 4 inlets and outlets. And I used to assume that this is a stereo amplifier or DAC. So you switch between 2 different pairs of speakers, but you can also play all 4 of them at once. And there are probably subwoofer as well. So this one really does it all. What I really like with this new one is that you have a real phono in. So not just an analog that becomes digital. Here you have a phono in for your LP player.